Kia ora. In this video lesson, we are going to be talking about finding the midpoint of a line segment using the formula where we add together the x coordinates and average them and do the same with the y. So tuatahi, first thing we're going to plot these points G and H. Now we should recall that every single point consists of two pieces, an x and a y. This point has an x and a y. Now since this is point number 1, I'm going to call this x1, y1. This is point number 2, I'm going to call it x2, y2. And we can see here from the formula to find the averages, x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and then y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So let's go ahead and plot these points and find the midpoint. First point, G, 2, 10. 2 to the right and up 10, there is my point G. And H is the point 6, 6, over 6, up 6, there is the point 6, 6. Tēnā koa, whakamahi te ruri. Please use a ruler to make your mahi look as good as you can. Now, point G had a 2 and a 10. There is the 2, there was the 10. And point H had a 6 and a 6. So over here is my 6, and there is my other 6. So what we're asking is, well, what's in between 2 and the 6? Well, that is a 4. I can see that logically by just looking at the midpoint. What you're going to want to do is show your mahi. x1 plus x2. x1 is 2, x2 is 6. So you will go 2 plus 6 and divide by 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. There's the midpoint 4. Now we're going to do the same thing with the y's. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So let's do the same thing with the y numbers. y1 is 10. y2 is 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. Cut that in half. Okay. 6 plus 2 we said was 8 divided by 2, 4. 10 plus 6 is 16 divided by 2 is 8. So the midpoint, as we said, there is the 4. Midpoint is 8. There is the midpoint M of G and H. That, again, is the midpoint. Okay? I hope that was helpful. Any pātai, do send them my way. Thanks for watching. Maori mahi, Maori ora, ka kite ano.